Hello Stevens County, it's Matt, the Gluten Free Guybrarian. Today on the GFG, we're going to be making Gluten Free Cheddar Biscuits, just like those biscuits you can get from that one seafood restaurant. And the best part is these biscuits go great with any meal. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go make some biscuits. In no time at all, you could have delicious gluten-free biscuits. And what better way to eat these biscuits than reading a great book? I suggest Summerland by Ellen Hildebrand. Thank you, Stevens County, and have a great day.